Whether you have trouble reaching high spots or stooping low to the ground, weak grip in your fingers, or just don't want to leave your seat for something small, the Pro Folding Reacher is the perfect accessory. The moving jaw is operated using the 4-finger trigger on the handle and comes complete with a magnet for grabbing small items such as keys and pins. The Pro Folding Reacher can be folded in half to keep it compact and out of the way. This product is available in 3 sizes and can be purchased either individually or in a triple pack. To find out more about this product and any other item in the CareCo's Daily Living Aids range, visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.